Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to show you how to change the language and the unit of measurement for your fuel economy on a 2015 Lexus NX. This could apply to all Lexus models with the Lexus Display audio system. So go to menu from wherever you already are, scroll along to setup. Once you're in setup, go to general, and you can see here the language option and choose which language suits you or you're most familiar with. In our case, it would be English. So we're going to just reselect English, and on your unit of measurement below, you can select kilometers per litre, liters per 100 kilometers, which would be the standard over here in Ireland, or imperial miles per gallon, which would be the standard you'd get in the United Kingdom. So I already have it set to liters per 100 kilometers. So my screen between the dials shows you 7.4 liters per 100 kilometers after I've last reset it, and 68,608 kilometers. Now, if I set it to miles per gallon here, and you return to the little screen between the dials, you can now see it's reading 38.2 miles per gallon, or 42,637 miles. It's nice, but the only inconvenience is I still have kilometers an hour on my speedometer, and it's not digital, it's only backlit in this Lexus. So it's really only a convenience thing if you prefer miles per gallon over litre per 100 kilometers or kilometers per litre. Well, I'm going to leave it liters per 100 kilometers, that's what I'm used to. So we really hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes, and have a great day too.